Welcome to Balcones Canyonlands National Wildlife Refuge, an oasis of rolling hills, grasslands, and rock formations tucked in the Texas Hill Country less than an hour outside of bustling Austin. Springs and sinkholes hint at a mysterious underground world full of caves and rivers. This place is the intersection of many different habitats. The Great Plains meet the Gulf Coast, and the prairies meet the desert. Life abounds here.
A monarch butterfly pollinates a purple wildflower.
There are species of birds and plants that you won't find anywhere else on Earth.
Yellow wildflowers cover a hillside.
This National Wildlife Refuge protects two rare songbirds, the golden-cheeked warbler and the black-capped vireo, by giving them a place to breed and nest.
Creating the perfect habitat for the golden-cheeked warbler and the black-capped vireo is always a balancing act.
Kelly Perkey, refuge manager, stands outside.
Refuge staff use heavy machinery to shape the landscape, and prescribed fire gives native shrubs and grass room to grow. Our biologists and field technicians survey the bird populations and study their migration patterns. The more we know about these birds, the better we can protect them. Designating this place as a National Wildlife Refuge ensures that the birds have a safe place to find mates, build nests, lay eggs, and raise their young when they return from Mexico and Central America every spring.
A black-capped vireo perches on its nest and feeds two of its young.
As cities grow and human development expands, Balcones Canyonlands National Wildlife Refuge will always be here to welcome these birds home.
The refuge welcomes you home too. This is a great place to hike, watch wildlife, photograph, hunt, volunteer, and join education programs. There are 3 public use areas: Doeskin Ranch Trailhead, Warbler Vista Trailhead, and Shin Oak Observation Deck. These are open 365 days a year, sunrise to sunset. They are free and you don't need a reservation. Stop by our Visitor Information Center to talk to a ranger, check out binoculars, hike 2 short trails, or use the photo blind. It is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Visit our website for directions to our trailheads. They are also searchable by name on most GPS applications. Before your visit, here are some reminders. Bring plenty of snacks and water. Water is not available at our trailheads. Also bring sun protection and wear closed-toed shoes for rugged terrain. Pack out all of your trash, even food waste. And leave nature in nature. Take pictures of cool plants and artifacts, but then leave them for the next person to enjoy. Stay on the trails. This protects you from wildlife and also protects plants and wildlife from you. Finally, leave your pets at home. Pet scents and waste can disturb endangered species and other wildlife that call this refuge home. Come hike here. Zoom out. Enjoy the expansive views and get a new perspective. Or zoom in.
A cardinal eats a berry.
Find small wonders and nurture your curiosity. At Balcones Canyonlands National Wildlife Refuge.
People hike across a trail. The Fish and Wildlife logo appears on screen. Video filmed and produced by Claire Hostler, USFWS. Special thanks to Brad James, Gil Eckrick, and Sydney Dragon. Original black-capped vireo nesting video can be found on the Fish and Wildlife Service YouTube channel.